YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Are you doing good? Are you not doing good? Let me know, because somebody will get beat up behind you, period. So you guys, please don't mind my background. We having some technical difficulties. I'm trying to cover something up. Yeah, so please don't mind this little background, you guys. I'm getting that together right now, as well as a whole bunch of other stuff. Like, just focus on this. Just focus on this. So you guys, today I'll be working with a beautiful brand called DYHAIR777. They sent me this gorgeous red bob, you guys. Look at how pretty this bob is. Like, it is so pretty. Look at the color. Like, this color right here will really give you strawberry. It will really give you cherry limeade. And it's a straight silky straight uni, you guys. And it is also a frontal. I will be installing it and showing you guys how to slay a red bob, because red bobs are so pretty. And I just want to put it in a half up, half down style, if it lets me. So if you guys ready to see me go from this to this, make sure you guys stay tuned. Now that I have it installed, it is super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and part off my baby hairs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, like, what's it called? I like short baby hairs because, like, it just, you don't have to do nothing with the hair in the back more. Like, if you cut your baby hair short, you don't have to do that much with the hairs in the back. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Why my shit look like this? After that, I'm trying to see, is this a good placement for them? No, they're supposed to be right here. And then, yeah, so these are our two things that's gonna hang in our face. Then we're gonna pull this up. Bristle brush, definitely need the bristles. And you're going to go in and smooth everything out. Okay. This is cute. Like, this is cute. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. So now I'm going to go in, take this piece of hair, and I'm going to wrap it around the red, because I just don't like how that hair tie looks like that. So gonna wrap that around most definitely before y'all drag me. Oh my god, this is so cute. So you guys, the look is done. I am in awe that I actually pulled this off, because y'all, whenever I try to do stuff like this, especially with short hair, whenever I try to do stuff like this, I always go through the most about it. DYHAIR777, y'all definitely did y'all thing on this unit. I love it. So I'm just adding the finishing touches, you guys. Now we're going to go in with our flat iron. I'm thinking about leaving it straight, because all of that curly stuff, I don't have time. So I'm thinking about leaving it straight. Okay, so should I leave these straight? Yeah, I think I should leave them straight. And then just make them go like this around my face. Yeah. Y'all need to get into this flat iron by Duval. It goes to 450 degrees, you guys. And it is a really good flat iron, as you can see. Like, oh my god, the best flat iron ever. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look using the dye hair bob unit in red. You guys, I will have everything linked in the description box if you are interested in getting this bob. It's giving summer, it's giving cherry. You guys definitely need to get into it. Like, this look was very easy. This look was very easy to do. Like, because I never succeed with colors. Like, I never succeed with colors. So definitely feeling it, you guys. If you are interested in this unit, make sure you check my link in the description box. I will have everything you need to know about this hair and DYHAIR777. You guys, the hair is definitely soft. You need to go check them out. If you like this video, if you want more color, let me know that in the comments. I am always reading and checking y'all's comments, so if you want some more color from me, definitely let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.